Hey everyone, welcome back to Chop Busters. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, having the right tools in your woodworking arsenal can make all the difference. In today's video, we're diving into the essential woodworking tools that every craftsman should have in their shop. From must-have basics to advanced gear that can take your projects to the next level, we're covering it all. So grab your coffee, get comfortable, and let's talk tools.
Oscillating Multi-Tool. Oscillating Multi-Tool kit generates the fastest cuts, the power for demolition, and the lowest full tool vibration. The Power State brushless motor delivers 10,000 to 20,000 OPM with an aggressive 4.2 degree oscillating angle to deliver the fastest cuts over the competition. The cordless multi-tool also gives you the power to complete many demanding applications with ease, such as large cuts through hard woods and nail-embedded wood, pushing the limits of what a multi-purpose oscillating tool can do. Vibration dampening technology delivers the lowest full tool vibration, letting you make cuts more comfortably with less fatigue. Red Link Plus intelligence ensures that you achieve unmatched levels of performance, protection, and compatibility. The M18 Red Lithium XC 5.0 battery delivers more work per charge than competitive batteries on the market when used with the multi-tool. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Oscillating Multi-Tool has a 10-setting dial with an additional auto-load feature, allowing you to adjust the speed to the application. An integrated 180-degree LED light provides maximum visibility in low-light situations. Pocket T-Squares. The Woodpecker's Pocket T-Squares simplify joinery layout and deliver exceptional accuracy. Whether you're laying out mortises, tenons, and rabbets, or marking the location of hinges and other cabinet hardware, these innovative Pocket T-Squares ensure the precision that you need. Laying out lines at exact locations is as simple as putting your pencil in the right hole and sliding along the workpiece edge. Pocket T-Squares are milled from a single solid billet of aluminum for uncompromising rigidity. A broad, precisely machined lip registers solidly along your reference edge. Both graduated edges are beveled to minimize parallax viewing error and get the graduations right down to your stock, where they belong. Best of all, the blades are precision drilled with a staggered series of holes 1/32 of an inch apart. Each hole is 1 millimeter in diameter, just right to fit the tip of a 0.7 millimeter or 0.9 millimeter mechanical pencil. Just drop the point of your mechanical pencil into the proper hole and glide along, guided by the edge of your stock. 6x Folding Loupe Magnifier. The Infinity Tools 6x Folding Loupe Magnifier is a powerful magnifier that folds up for safe and easy storage. A loupe is a small magnifying glass used in all sorts of industries. The Pocket Folding Magnifier makes it great for inspection, crafts, watch and jewelry making, reading, fine detail work, hobby and tasks. High definition glass magnifying lens. Self-contained protective cover. Easy to carry with you. You can use it anytime, anywhere to assist your project. Presch Combination Square. Your right hand for any measurement mission. The Presch Carpentry Square 150mm. Our Presch Combination Square 150mm will make sure that everything squares up nicely. This adjustable square tool allows you to mark 90 degrees and 45-degree angles with the utmost precision, measure depths, mark parallel lines, check thicknesses, set stops accurately, and mark meters accurately. CAMO Pro Series Guides. The CAMO Edge Deck Fastening System is a fast, easy, and affordable way to install a fastener-free deck surface. A patented CAMO Edge Deck screws have a rake tip that augers material out as you drive. The Pro Guide allows you to quickly install these screws through the edge of the deck board, not the surface. To use the Pro Guide, attach one of the included driver bits to your drill. Load Edge Deck screws on both sides of the guide and drive. It's that easy. The built-in shoulder on the driver bit sets an automatic depth of drive which prevents overdriving the screw. The Pro Guide is ideal for composite and PVC decking and can be also used on treated lumber, hardwood, and cedar. Professional Biscuit Joiner. The Bosch GFF22 Biscuit Joiner is ideal for precise routing of grooves for corner and edge joints with Biscuit dowels. With precise, tool-free routing depth setting, angle guide with clearly legible scale, and grid for even more accurate work. Robust metal angle guides with embossed scales and lock-in points enable precise settings for accurate joints. 670 watts provide optimal power for making frame, corner, longitudinal, and cross joints. Toll-free routing depth adjustment for quickly adapting to the material thickness. 9,000 RPMs provide optimum power for making frame, corner, longitudinal, and cross joints. Tool-free routing depth adjustment for fast work progress. Markings on the angle guide for precise positioning of the Biscuit joint specifications. 3-in-1 Measuring Gauge. Introducing the 3-in-1 Multi-Function Measuring Gauge. It is made of high-quality aluminum alloy with excellent processing and accurate scale, which can ensure accurate measurement. It can be used to measure depth, angle, and height. The durable and strong magnet at the top prevents the stop ring from moving. Includes inch and metric scales, which are clearly visible, including inch and millimeter unit readings. It can quickly and accurately install the bit depth limiter and drill a hole to the exact depth. The angle measurement template tool is ideal for accurate angle measurements. It provides right angle measurements for the drill to make the drill grinding accurate. This angle ruler is an excellent layout tool for creating complex shapes and angles. Evolution Fury 6. Utilizing patented professional rage technology, easily cuts steel, aluminum, wood, even wood with nails, and plastic using just one blade. It features a high-torque gearbox, which reduces motor stresses, improving performance and durability. Advanced performance outperforms normal saws. When cutting steel, only in miter mode, it leaves an instantly workable finish, producing no heat, no burr, and virtually no sparks. Table saw. Sturdy, rip fence allows for fast, accurate straight cuts to be made on wood materials. Do not cut metal or metallic materials when the machine is configured as a table saw. Miter saw mode. Miter stops left and right at 5 degrees, 10 degrees, 15 degrees, 20 degrees, 25 degrees, 30 degrees, 35 degrees, 40 degrees, and 45 degrees. Switching between functions is quick and simple. Plus, the dedicated on-off switches for both meter and table saw ensures ultra-safe operation. The saw is also workbench mountable and supplied with rubber suction feet, which help to keep it firmly in place on work surfaces. Metal sawhorse. A must-have piece of kit for every tradesman or DIYer, whether on site, in the van, in the workshop, garage, or garden shed. The Evolution sawhorses are compact, lightweight, and durable to support your heavy-duty construction projects. These sawhorses can support a huge 1,100 pounds per horse. Their durable metal construction gives you a robust and practical work surface for even the heaviest jobs. Foldable design. Set your table in seconds with folding legs and quick lock levers. It also features a carry handle for portability. 4-degree lock miter router bit. The interlocking fingers of our lock miter router bit provide a strong mechanical locking action that makes it much easier to clamp. There is no tendency for the joint to slide out of alignment under clamping pressure, and the wedge tenons tighten up nicely for a strong corner joint. The increased long-grain gluing surface also helps to strengthen the joint over a basic rabbet or butt joint. Machining parts with the lock miter bit is easy. With the bit height set, one part is cut horizontally on the router table, while the corresponding part is cut vertically. The bit is ideal for joining drawer boxes, cabinet parts, and for building 4-sided columns. FERM PRA1011. Router tables are not only necessary, but form an integral part of woodworking, especially when using long, narrow, or even small materials. The FERM PRA1011 is ideal for you if you want to work with large diameter router cuts. The robust aluminum router table from FERM is suitable for both specialists and do-it-yourselfers. The table is made from thick cast aluminum. The legs are firmly bolted to the top and are made from pressed steel with non-slip rubber feet. Use this router table to create grooves and nice profile edges. The PRA1011 is an ideal accessory for routers with a base plate up to 162 millimeters. Easy and accurate adjustment for precise working. The FERM PRA1011 is equipped with a connection for dust extraction and a dust-proof switch. Thanks to the miter guide, this router table is easy and accurate adjustable for precision work. It is equipped with a dust-proof switch for a long life, is easy and accurate to adjust for precision work, and can be equipped with dust extraction. The robust and stable aluminum construction of the PRA1011 is equipped with anti-slip rubbers so that it stands firmly on your workbench. Combination 3D Tri-Square. Measuring and marking is usually one of the first steps to the actual construction of almost anything made of anything. As woodworkers, we are constantly measuring and marking parts of our projects before attacking them with sharp hand tools or power tools. Accuracy in measurement is crucial to result in well-fitting joints or for machining the correctly sized components. The old adage of measure twice, cut once is certainly appropriate when looking at a product like this. The 3D part of the tool's name comes about because the tool can be used as a marking gauge in 3 dimensions, the X, Y, and Z axes. The Z axis of measurement comes about because of the extended stock length of one side to provide a traditional saddle square function to the tool. The stock of the tool, that is, the main body, is constructed from aluminum and machined on its reference face in a radial fashion. FASTTRACK Chisel Sharpener. M-Power and DMT combine to bring you an innovative sharpening system that will have you regaining that razor-sharp edge in seconds. Chisel in and sharpen. Plain blade in and sharpen. No setup time, no complicated attachments, and no experience needed. It's that simple. From the total beginner to the most discerning of professionals, the precision sharpening system will deliver a flat ground edge every time. It now includes 2x DMT diamond stones as standard. The blade remains stationary when sharpening, so it's very safe. It sharpens square-edged chisels and plain irons from 1/8 inch to 2.5 inches. Change the grade of DMT diamond stone instantly with the magnetic lock-in. Change the sharpening angle from 25° primary to 30° primary instantly. Built to last, machined in solid aluminum and finished in a hard-wearing anodize. Carriage runs on nylon 66 slip rails for a smooth action. The precision sharpening system holds the blade stationary and its angle constant while a diamond stone is guided along the cutting edge at either 25° or 30°, depending on your application, making the bevel flat and the edge true, lasting, and requiring only minimal maintenance unless chipped or neglected. Adjustable Universal Hole Saw. This Wolfcraft adjustable hole saw lets you drill the standard hole diameters needed for drywall, for example, inserting hollow wall boxes, ceiling spotlights, drain pipes, and much more. You set the appropriate diameter for your application in just a few steps. The integrated scale helps you to find the right position. Matching Allen keys for loosening and fastening the screws are enclosed. 8.5mm triangular shank, suitable for the drill chucks of all standard cordless or power drills. Thanks to the triangular receptacle, the adjustable hole saw is ready to use with any commercially available cordless screwdriver or power drill. The 3 straight set triple tooth blades saw through plasterboard and soft wood boards with ease and let you make fine and clean cuts. This means that you can do numerous projects and save space and budget with just one product. In-Dexable combo and double squares. The combination square was invented in 1878 and has been copied countless times over the last 140 plus years. But until now, no one has done much to make the combination square any better. Woodpecker's product development team wanted more than just a Me Too product. They built features into our In-Dexable combination squares that you won't find in any other combination square at any price. Features like laser-accurate scribing guides, positive indexing at every full inch, a sliding head support, and precise laser-engraved scales. These new squares is the laser-cut scribing guides cut every 16th inch along the blade. The guides are just the right size to capture a pencil tip for highly accurate parallel scribing. But where's the 0 point for the scribing guides? How do you get a true starting point with a head that moves? Just depress the spring-loaded index pen and lock the head at any full inch. Now your scribing guides are dialed in and ready for accurate parallel marking. Trend Worktop Jig. The Trend KWJ900P Pro Multi-Material Worktop Jig is an essential piece of equipment designed for worktops of up to 900 millimeters. Delivers rapid and unbeatable jointing, offering users speed without sacrificing quality or precision. The Easy Set reference window means setup is quick and easy for any backset. It has 5 backset options of 3 millimeters, 5 millimeters, 10 millimeters, 24 millimeters, and 35 millimeters. This provides a versatility which allows the jig to work with a variety of trends, edge profiles, and materials. The jig offers flush edge compatibility, enabling worktops to be cut flush with door faces without the need for further marking or measuring. Achieve below-the-surface clamping with the incorporated recessed clamping slots with plunge saw clamps to offer unrestricted routing. Users will be able to perform fast jointing in just 15 minutes, including setup time. The KWJ900P removes the need for alignment pins for worktop widths and gets rid of worktop width restrictions. Suitable for use with a range of worktop material, including laminate, compact laminate, chipboard, composite, and solid wood. Evolution R230 RCP. Powerful 850-watt motor cuts through a variety of materials with ease. Cut wood up to 230 millimeters thick, 20 millimeter thick mild steel, and 150 millimeter thick plastic. Adjust the speed up to 2,800 strokes per minute and a 28 millimeter stroke length for making fast, efficient cuts and even greater versatility. The metal pivot plate is large and stable. It allows the possibility to adjust the angle of sawing in order to achieve optimum cutting efficiency and minimize vibration, the blade jumping and/or breakage. 180-degree rotating handle and weighing just 2.8 kilograms allows you to control the saw more comfortably on those awkward, hard-to-reach angles. LED work light next to the blade provides greater visibility around the cutting area. Supplied with 4 blades engineered for different types of materials. 1 thin steel, multi-purpose for demolition work, green wood for tree limb cutting, and a clean wood cutting blade for smooth cuts. Mafell FM 1000 PVWS. Mafell milling motors for portal milling machines, cutting tables, grinding rigs, and flexible shafts are made in Germany with the highest quality standards and details for best-in-class performance. Each FM 1000 WS is broken in under lab conditions before shipping in order to maximize service life. FM 1000 WS milling motors features the highest concentricity due to the delicate adjustment of all components, such as the double bearing spindle for absorbing axial forces and the innovative tool-free quick clamping device that enables convenient and fast insertion of different milling cutters. The speed can be infinitely adjusted to any application, and the digital electronics are equipped with soft start, idle speed reduction, constant speed underload, and overload protection. Typical applications include model mold pattern making, advertising technology, engraving, jewelry, electronics, and masonry carvings, Compatible materials include wood, metal, plastics, foam, polystyrene, and stone. PushPRO Push Stick. Bow Products solves common woodworking tool safety problems with the introduction of the PushPRO Push Stick. This evolutionary push stick comes with a high-density EVA foam tip that won't damage your table saw blade or the push stick's body if accidental contact is made. The reversible and replaceable foam tip maintains good contact with your material even at a slight angle and helps give you a smoother cut by dampening vibration. Designed to fit comfortably in your hand for all-day operation, the handle is made from a tough and durable ABS plastic. Have a favorite handle design? No problem. Attach the foam tip end to any custom-made handle. Fine Tooth Saw. The specially hardened saw teeth can quickly cut through hard materials without much effort. The ergonomic two-component handle gives you a firm grip, so you can accomplish your work with a steady hand, and by using the angle between the handle and saw blade, you can even achieve a perfect cut in hard-to-reach places and near the ground. The saw blade is 250 millimeters long and therefore also ideal for cutting laminate. Matco Belt Sanders. According to the need, the machine can be adjusted to the required angle, rotation, and grinding. Use a hex wrench to loosen the steering adjusting screw and adjust the grinding angle. The bottom rail can put pressure on the product while it is grinding, and at the same time makes it difficult to move the abrasive belt. Used to replace sandpaper. Press the head firmly to retract the guide rail and press the telescopic button to bounce and push the sand belt. Excellent multi-purpose tool for grinding sharp metal edges, rusty bolts, welds, etc. Ideal for removing welds. Effective for blending, grooving, and contouring. Compact design for sanding in close quarters. Simple belt tension lever. Greater pulley space for special padded belts, protection, and rough handle.
SandPlane. The Wolfcraft SandPlane is the perfect sanding accessory to add to your shop. It has been designed to sand almost any shape encountered in DIY, home improvement, furniture restoration, and woodworking applications. With one of the 4 sanding profiles attached to the SandPlane body, simply attach your hook and loop backed sanding disc and you're ready to go. Hook and loop prevents sandpaper from slipping and provides comfort. 4 interchangeable sanding profiles for consonants, convex, V-groove, and flat surface sanding. Change rotation of the sanding belt. Flip the lever open to loosen. Reposition or replace the belt. Flip the lever closed and the belt will be locked securely into place. The front and back of the SandPlane both have a small radius that allows you to get into the smallest, most intricate work pieces that need to be sanded. Leaf Mulcher. Leaf cleanup made easier with the Works WG430 Leaf Mulcher. You can turn your annual problem into vitamin-rich organic mulch for flower beds or gardens. Your trash bags attach right to the bottom of the mulcher. The 11:1 mulcher ratio turns a large pile of leaves into a small heap in seconds. The Works Leaf Mulcher has a high-efficiency bladeless mulching system with Flex-Align mulching technology. The powerful 13-amp motor mulches up to 53 gallons of leaves per minute. Mulch 11 bags into 1. No more dragging dozens of bags to the curb. Tool-free assembly and disassembly makes for convenient seasonal use and saves space thanks to its compact design. This Works Leaf Mulcher WG430 has a high-efficiency blade-free mulching system that is accomplished by our user-friendly Flex-Align mulching technology. With the Works WG430 Leaf Mulcher, you can give back to your environment. Tool-free quick assembly combined with compact design makes for convenient off-season storage. Comes with an oversized on-off switch for ease of operation with gloves. 4010 and 4011 ClampSquares. The Wolfcraft 4-inch ClampSquares are the ultimate solution when you need to square up corners in your woodworking assembly and gluing applications. These ClampSquares are durable and lightweight, making them easy to use. Unlike metal squares, these ClampSquares will not mar your work pieces. 90-degree angles are a woodworking essential, which makes these the perfect accessory. ClampSquares can be used on both inside and outside corners. Durable assembly square made of ABS foam-filled, lightweight material. This square can be used in conjunction with the clamps included or on its own with fence clamps, bar clamps, F-clamps, and more, creating square joints every time. 6-in-1 Pocket Gauge. At the heart of the 6-in-1 Pocket Gauge is a pair of stainless steel gear racks. When you adjust the tool, the gear teeth engage, locking the two halves together at a perfect 1/32 step. Get it close and the rack will do the rest. For instance, if you need to set a dado blade for a 15-32 depth of cut, just move the sliding block up until it's just short of ½ an inch. Lock the knob and you'll see that the gears mesh perfectly at 15/32 of an inch as the knob tightens. If you prefer to work in metric measurements, just take the gear racks off, flip them over, and now the rack will lock at a perfect 1mm interval. It's great if you work in metric all the time. It's even better if you don't. Don't spend time trying to work conversions when fitting something metric. Just flip your racks, make your setting, and move on. The new 6-in-1 Pocket Gauge has an adjustment range of 2 1/8 inch between the base and the sliding block. The original 6-in-1 Shop Gauge has an adjustment range of 4 1/4 inch. The depth rod on the Pocket Gauge will reach 2 1/8 inch. Workbench. This heavy-duty workbench from Rigid has a tough woodworking surface which has been specially treated to resist water and dust. The legs are of tubular construction and designed to carry heavy loads. Simple to erect and dismantle and easy to transport. Powder-coated steel foldable workbench with MDF work surface. Folds and unfolds in seconds for quick setup wherever required. Ergonomic composite handle and lightweight at only 14 kilograms for ease of carrying. Worktop marked with 960mm measuring scale and 180-degree protractor. Supplied with slot and crossbar for added stability. R4040S8. Rigid introduces the 12-amp corded 8-inch wet tile saw with stand. The powerful 12-amp 1.2 horsepower motor easily moves through natural and man-made tile and pavers, while the oversized cut capacity is capable of cutting through 4 inches wall blocks in just 2 passes. The die-cast aluminum table with co-molded rubber support provides solid support, and the dual bearing rollers improve table stability at your worksite. The optimized water nozzle system, guarded baffle system, wraparound rubber splash guard, rear water tray, and isolation wall provide maximum water efficiency and cleaner worksites. This table also comes with a folding stand that has toolless height adjustment and scratch-resistant feet to help protect flooring. RYOBI ONE Router. The RYOBI ONE 18-volt Palm Router is a new addition of the ONE family. Its convenient, portable size makes this tool a great addition to your collection of ONE tools. This Palm Router has micro adjustment for precise depth control and cuts over 600 linear feet per charge. With 29,000 RPM, users receive fast, powerful trimming to get the job done. The quick-release lever for easy depth adjustment makes this router one of the easiest to use on the market. LEDs also illuminate work surfaces for increased cutting visibility, so your cuts are always precise. RYOBI's ONE Router features grip zone overmold for user comfort. The Palm Router has a sturdy battery case for easy and stable bit changes. RYOBI ONE Router features an adjustable cut depth to match your desired application. Compass MG36. Essential to every table saw owner is an accurate miter gauge. Unfortunately, most stock miter gauges are either too sloppy or poorly made that repeatable cuts are next to impossible. With these failings in mind, our engineers designed the Compass MG36 miter gauge. The MG36 is a tool you can trust, and you will achieve your intended results, which not only saves precious time, but saves you money by eliminating mistakes. And perhaps most important, the MG36 is simply fun to use. Unlike any other miter gauge on the market today, the Compass MG36 miter gauge achieves precise angular settings by eliminating slop. This is achieved with a positive index system consisting of tapered grooves and a spherical locking pin. The heart of the Compass MG36 miter gauge is our unique positive lock index system. With the use of only 2 fingers, the tension that keeps the spherical locking pin in place is released, allowing the miter gauge to pivot and index to all of the most common miter angles. The Compass MG36 allows for quick and positive adjustments with 0.02 1/50th degree. Of course, the MG36 can be manually set up to any other angle you desire. T40 Turbo Bench Lathe. The beauty of woodworking is experienced by those who work hard at it and who constantly look for inspiration to improve. Using a T40 enhances the enjoyment and allows you to aspire to new levels. The Harvey T40 woodworking lathe is unique in that it is considered at a 14-inch, 360mm swing to be a smaller lathe. However, the T40 has been designed on the scale of a large lathe in regards to casting size, power, and controls. The T40 incorporates an industrial servo motor commonly used on metalworking lathes for its powerful torque, which allows the T40 a greater torque and speed capacity. The raw materials of each part of the lathe are all select, premium materials for both aesthetics and practical functions. The body of the T40 has been painted with a stoving varnish, providing a durable, long-lasting finish that offers more resistance against scratches, chipping, wear, and fading. Even the logos and nameplate have been upgraded. The 220-volt industrial servo spindle motor, which is normally used on metalworking. Machining centers solves the issues of insufficient torque and drag found on most small lathes in the market. The design of the servo motor and drive system is not only strong, but strong along the entire range from 60 to 4,300 RPM. When turning, the changing torque level is measured constantly, and the servo motor will speed up or slow down in order to provide a smooth, consistent operating speed. Wolfcraft Woodworking Set. Wolfcraft has made a specialty of offering this kind of kit for targeted uses. You have a job? Wolfcraft has the right selection for your needs. The Wolfcraft Woodworking Set is great for refurbishing wood around the home. Restore weathered wood, varnish and paint residues quick and easily with our woodworking set. The 2 components flap brushes are really very nice and offer a job that is both fast and clean. Here in 2 sizes, it's really very practical. It's an all-in-one solution for those who don't want to spend hours trying to find the right accessory. Bring the right pieces for wood sanding work at home. Everything you need for when you want to restore small furniture, cleaning it of previous traces of paint and dirt, and polish it, leaving it ready to apply a new paint or varnish treatment. The set consists of a hand sander, a grinder, and a triangular shape for difficult corners and nooks. It brings 3 pads of different sizes for the different surfaces to be sanded, and there are also 2 polishing wheels to adapt them to the drill, a large and a smaller one, which would be for large surfaces and small surfaces respectively, and a pad for abrasive. Greenlee Nail Eater. Greenlee's Nail Biter Extreme Auger bits have an improved cutting edge, provides 30% longer lifespan. Patented new design for improved cutting and cleaner holes. Self-feeding screw point draws bit through wood. Unique patented design cutting angle, smoother starts, reduced cutting loads. Made of super tough, heat-treated steel, cuts through nails and provides longer life. Shorty bits for working in tight places, yet still can go through 3 abutting 2x4s. Sports Turbo Groover. The Sports Turbo Groover is the latest groover on the market, specialized to groove sports flooring effectively and with ease. It grooves a consistent, uniform groove, regardless of the weight being applied by the installer. It is specially designed to groove sports flooring. The internal V-shaped retractable cutter tip can control the groove width and can dig grooves of different widths. The wood trimmer is made with high-quality aluminum plus plastic, which is durable to use and have long service life. The blade is adjustable in height to enable uniform grooving at various depths, suitable for different thickness material to make precise slot. Sports Turbo Groover is a box groover ideal for small and medium areas and also works well on PVC plastic flooring. 946 Smarty OPTIVISION Red. CAPRO 946M Smarty Magnetic Cast Pocket Level with OPTIVISION is the most durable professional pocket level in the market. It features a horizontal vial with CAPRO's patented OPTIVISION Red. OPTIVISION Red vial creates a strong color definition around the spirit level's horizontal bubble, making the bubble's edge up to 8 times easier to see than conventional vials. It also has gradient lines up to 2% marked inside the vial so they won't scratch off or move. The 946M's vials are extremely accurate at 0.0005 inch over inch and are guaranteed for life. Easy Petrol Post Driver. Easy Petrol Post Driver weighs only 15.3 kilograms, allowing for fatigue-free operation for many hours. The power plant is the reliable 4-stroke Honda GX35 1.0 kilowatt engine with a 1-year warranty. Internal components are made from precision machined materials to ensure maximum tool life. 12-month assembly warranty. It works in inaccessible places, steep banks, and uneven terrain. If the ground is very dry, compacted, or rocky, a pre-hole must be made for rods larger than 78 millimeters. This can be done manually with a pilot rod or mechanically with the pilot tool or a mechanical screw.
We really hope you like this video. If you do, then please support us by clicking the red subscribe button and clicking on notifications by clicking the bell icon next to the subscribe button. Until next time, take care.